Come on, Gooch. All right, folks, good morning. This is going to be interesting. It's 9 degrees out, 40 mile an hour wind gusts, 32 mile an hour straight winds, 40 some mile an hour gusts. This is going to be great. So my original intentions this morning were to go to the river, the backwaters, but I couldn't really think of anywhere to get out of the wind. I could think of one spot. It was a pretty long walk, pretty long drive, and when I walked out of my house this morning and about got blown over, I'm like, yeah, I'll do that tomorrow. So came to this lake. This is where I think I did my first ice fishing video last year. Used to be one of my favorite spots to fish. I still like fishing here. I don't do it a lot because I'm on the river most of the time. See, somebody built a snowman and he didn't last. So there's some really big bluegills in this lake. I still got one 10-incher in my freezer that I'm going to get mounted from last year that I haven't taken to the taxidermist yet. Limit out here is 10 panfish, combination bluegill, crappie, perch. So I'm just going to fish in this bay here because the wind is coming from the west, and if you can see, I got a big bluff up there, so it's not too bad right now, but I'll guarantee I get out in the middle of the main lake there and it's going to be ripping. So I can hear it too from here. So anyways, let's get out on the ice and start drilling some holes and catching some donks. Don't want to jinx myself, but if it stays like this, this won't be too bad. Wind-wise. I don't know what we got for ice there, 5 inches probably. There he is. First fish of the morning. What do we got? What do we got? Not terrible. Not too bad of a gill. Seven and a half. 7 3/4. It's not bad. I was told two different stories about this place. I was told one that they're only catching tiny bluegills, like 3-4 inchers, babies. And I was told by somebody else that they're hammering them, good ones. So we'll find out for myself, I guess. That one there ain't terrible. We'll eat him any day. Tell you what, adding that third sweatshirt was a great idea this morning. There's another one. Get 'em, get 'em. Tangled up in the Vexlar. About the same size as the last one. So I guess the camera was off. Just caught this one. It's a dang nice one. Thick guy. Man. Anyways. Gold bone bug. Cotton candy jig. There we go. good one. Pretty nice one there. There he is. This one don't feel very... Nope. That was not the same fish that I was just playing cat and mouse with. Grow up, buddy. Ooh, he drilled it. Another little guy. Just clobbered it. There's another one. Loaded up here. They're not good ones. Switch holes. There goes my plastic. All right, new plastic. I went with the mud bug color. I was sick of digging, trying to find the gold ones. Let's see if it even matters. Well, I got fish coming up, but I'm tangled up. There's one. Got him. Crappie. Would you look at that? There he is. That's a decent one. Not too shabby there. Oh, here comes another hungry red mark. There he is. There he is, Dylan. There he is. Boom shakalaka. Not terrible. Not quite as big as the last one. There's one. Come creeping up off the bottom. Acting all stealth like, you little devil, you. Trying to sneak a peek at my mud bug. Alright, let's go to a different hole. There's one. Feels a little bass. Look at that guy. 3 species today. There's a big mark. There he is. Let's see what you are. Perch. 4 species today. Cute little dude. There goes my plastic. Why can't you be about 6 inches bigger? Alright, back to the drawing board for another plastic. There's one. Feels good. Feels like Vexlar. Not what I thought. There he is. That one come up from a ways. Feels okay. He's a runner. He's a keeper. One of them pale colored. See them a lot in here. Pale colored gills. I love when they shoot up off the bottom. You know, them are the ones that are more than likely going to eat without much work. Ooh. There he is. Terrible. Not a real big one, but 7.5. There he is. Feels like this could be number 10. Yep, limit. There we go. Get on in there, Gooch. And that's a wrap, folks. I'm gonna go home, and I'm not too mad about it. I was really angry last night when I went to bed, looking at the weather, seeing that it was gonna be really, really windy today, and I really didn't know what to do because I want to fish so bad, but I knew if it was really, really windy, it'd be almost impossible to film anyways. So I switched gears. I came here last minute this morning. Actually, I'm like I told you at the beginning of the video, and I'm kind of glad I did, because I got my 10, which on this lake the limit is 10. So got my 10, and I'm gonna go home, and it's still pretty early. I don't even know what time it is. let's see. I could have been limited out a while ago. It's 9 o'clock. So 2 hours, and I got my 10 keepers. Actually, I didn't even really start fishing probably till 7:30. By the time I got out there and drilled my holes, I sat in the truck and played some games on my phone, let it get light out. But yeah, I caught some decent ones today. Nothing huge, but out of my 10, only 2 of them are under 8 inches, and they're just under, like 7.5, 7 3/4. 8.5 probably my biggest, but nothing huge, but 10 good eaters. So I'm gonna go home and get them cleaned up and enjoy the indoors the rest of the day. If you have not yet subscribed to Too Fat to Hunt Outdoors, go ahead and do that right now. Hit the bell to get notified every time I put out a video. Clobber that thumbs up. Luke Reeser signing off. Always remember, you are never too fat to fish.